We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clean a scanner glass on a Canon ImageClass 8580 CDW. So first thing you want to do is get your window or glass cleaner and get your favorite lint-free cloth. And you want to go ahead and put that cleaner on the cloth. You never want to put it directly on the glass because you could cause your printer to malfunction. Go ahead and clean that glass nice and gently. Sometimes we see pin marks or even whiteout on there, so you may need to clean it more than once. Then what you want to do, there's this little strip of glass right here. If you're seeing your quality on when you're scanning is not very well and maybe it has some defects on your print, go ahead and clean this part right here. The small one is for the top part, and then the big one is for, of course, your flatbed. So if you're seeing issues, you want to clean that one nice and gently. Then, if you've cleaned both of them, you're still seeing issues, you might want to go ahead and do it one more time. But if you're still seeing issues after that, go ahead and give us a call. It might be time to put your printer in for a service. If you're in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.